Ever wondered how technology could revolutionize farming? Welcome to the innovative world of precision farming, where the age-old practice of agriculture is seamlessly intertwined with the cutting-edge advancements of artificial intelligence. This isn't your typical farm tale. It's a story where data and AI work in harmony to make farming more accurate, more controlled, and more efficient. Imagine this: sensors and drones crisscrossing fields, gathering data, while AI algorithms analyze this information in real time. The outcome? Accurate insights into soil health, crop growth, and even the prediction of potential diseases. It's like having a superpowered farmhand that never sleeps, constantly monitoring and tweaking the farming process for optimal results. This revolutionary approach is all about enhancing productivity while minimizing waste and environmental impact. Intriguing, isn't it? But that's just scratching the surface of what AI can do on a farm. Let's dive deeper into how AI is transforming crop management. Picture a farmer's field, once subject to the whims of nature, now aided by the precision of artificial intelligence. This isn't some futuristic dream, it's the reality of modern farming. Through the use of AI algorithms, drones and sensors, farmers can monitor the health of their soil, the growth of their crops, and even predict potential diseases. Imagine a drone that can scan a field and tell the farmer exactly where to water, where to fertilize, and where to apply pest control. It's like having a bird's-eye view of the entire operation with the added benefit of AI analysis. But it's not just about monitoring, it's about predicting. AI can forecast threats, be it from weather events or pest infestations, allowing farmers to act proactively. With AI, farmers can now act proactively rather than reactively, a game changer in the world of agriculture. So what does this all mean for farmers and consumers like you and me? Well, the integration of artificial intelligence into farming is revolutionizing the way we grow and consume food. It's not just about healthier crops and higher yields, although those are significant benefits. It's also about a more sustainable approach to farming, one that reduces waste, optimizes resources, and lessens the environmental impact. For farmers, this means a new way of working, one that's more precise, proactive, and productive. For consumers, it means access to fresh, high-quality produce, grown in a way that respects our planet. For the environment, it means a reduction in water usage, less reliance on harmful pesticides, and an overall decrease in the carbon footprint of farming. And this is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, so too will its applications in agriculture. AI in farming isn't just about better crops, it's about a better, more sustainable future. As we've seen, the future of farming is here, and it's powered by AI. In our journey today, we've delved into the world of precision farming, where every drop of water, every grain of nutrient is meticulously accounted for. Through the lens of AI, we've seen how farmers can now monitor soil health, predict diseases, and optimize resources with breathtaking precision. We've also explored the transformative role of AI in crop management, where potential threats are detected before they can wreak havoc. From predicting weather events to warding off pests, AI is lending farmers a proactive edge. The impact? Healthier crops, higher yields, and a more sustainable approach to farming. This AI-driven revolution promises a future where our tables are laden with fresh, sustainable produce, and our planet breathes a little easier. If you're as excited as we are about the potential of AI to revolutionize farming, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more insights. Here's to a future of abundant, sustainable harvests. Stay curious and keep growing.